So let's code part one. I got my robot program opened, and I made sure my robot platform type is the correct settings on Vex 2.0 Cortex and natural language project the other way. Need to have those, need to have those. All right, so the lab sheet says we're going to program the coding for the lab so the motor will start and run at a speed of 48 for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, motor stops, program ends. Here's some codes we're going to use: a start motor, stop motor command, and a wait command. Okay, if you don't know what these codes are, here's a brief description, or scroll back a few pages for full description of what they do. Okay, so part one, let's code it. I'm going to make it in smaller chunks. It says we're going to, a motor will start and run at a speed of 48. Start and run at 48. Start and run at 48. Let's try that. So you have a motor start and run at a speed, this is the speed spot here, of 48. Here says port number 6. This is the name of the motor. Right now it's not named, so it's kind of the default name of port 6. We'll name it later. But start at 48. That part's done. What's next? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So now the motor do what it's doing for 5 seconds. Let's go back. And the continuation code is the one called wait. Remember we asked you guys in class to hold your breath, wait, 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 exhale. This wait is keep doing what you're doing for a given amount of time. In this case, 5 seconds. Motor starts, motor runs for 5 seconds. Then it says after 5 seconds, the motor will stop and the program ends. So the motor is going to stop, the program is going to end. Let's go that one. Motor is going to stop and the program ends. All right, so on my base plate, I have a 2-prong motor. So my 2-prong motor must go on port 1 or port number 10. Let's set it up. Under Motors and Sensor Setup, again, you have the Motors tab. These are later labs, okay? So I'm going to use a Motors tab. The Motors tab is full of things I don't need. It's like having the restaurant, the table is dirty. Let's clean it off. So get rid of all these, get rid of all these. And say no to everything else. Get rid of, get rid of, get rid of. Clean, clean. Okay, my 2-prong motor has to go on port 1 or port 10. My motor is going to be called Steve. And every motor we have in this lab is the Vex 393. The other ones won't work because the wrong programming type must be Vex 393. I'm going to apply it and hit OK. So now to pick that motor, I can't see it yet because my program hasn't been refreshed. Refresh button is kind of like this compile program button. It says, do you want to save? I'm going to say no for right now. And then watch. Steve. Steve. I'm ready to go. Take the orange cord, plug it into my computer USB port, my Cortex USB port, and I'll press the download the robot button. When it's done, I'll press the on-screen start button and watch my program run. Hopefully. All right, good luck.